Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, what's going on here? Hot, hot, hot. And I'll tell you what, there are days I just crave a pizza. And not in the oven, but on the Blackstone. This stone gets incredibly hot. And we can make these pizzas in less than 5 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes. So I'll tell you what, let's take a look at the pizza while this thing gets hot, hot, hot. All right, so you just saw the Blackstone pizza oven or patio oven. Honestly, folks, they are not making them anymore. They still sell them, but Blackstone's decided to go in a different direction with these things. This is a take and bake pizza. Papa Murphy's, they have this little cardboard thing. It doesn't come off very easily. So the best way to get it off is to flip it over, and I've showed you this before. You flip it over, and then you peel off this cardboard here. Then we're going to put some cornmeal on there, and cornmeal's on there. Then we'll transfer it to a peel, and then onto the that super hot stone, which should be right around 500, 600 degrees. It'll go. I'll show you when it goes on. All right, this doesn't take long, so let's just shoot. You see, one of the last temps I had on here was in the 500s. You can follow the dot there. We're in the 500s. So let's get that pizza ready and get it on there. All right, here's your pizza. Let's put it on. There we go. This won't take long. Keep on watching. All right, what's funny is this isn't even like less than a minute. And look at how it's popping up there. So I got a bubble thing that breaks bubbles here, and I actually found this on Amazon. And you just put it in there. It's nice and long, and you bust your bubbles. It's a bubble buster. Look at that pizza, man. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Keep on watching. Let's take a look underneath, shall we? Oh man, starting to get brown. That needs to come off. We're about done. That was like 3 minutes. Well, there it is, folks. I'll tell you what, that is just look at that. You can't get sausage is awesome. You can't get that in the oven. You can't get that in the oven. Folks, I'll tell you what, if you can find this Blackstone patio oven or pizza oven used, pick it up. Because it's an awesome piece of cooker. You can look at my YouTube videos and find out how to modify it to make it so it doesn't have any issues. So they still are selling this at Blackstone until they run out. But they want like $600 for it, so that ain't worth it. So I'll tell you what, folks, I got this for $300. Pizzas are great off of it. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, can't say it enough. Thanks for watching.